Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 6-month follow-up on yet another redo.
Is it 6 or 5?
6 months to the day, that's what it says in the video. And this fellow is a businessman in DC who I'd forgotten had a low-yield strip surgery at a place that advertised this a lot. And he came in here and we packed his front 6 months ago. And he did a great job cleaning, and then I remember his grandmother died out of the country, and we took his stitches out a day early, and he left, and he walked in looking like this. And so watch this little video.
Listen, Steve, what's the percentage you think it is?
I don't know. So Steve is now 6 months to the day out from us fixing the front, and he got a hair transplant someplace else, and it just wasn't quite enough. And as I'd say in all these videos, usually at 5 or 6 months on a virgin head, maybe it's half grown. On a redo head, it's usually doesn't look this good at 6 months. So I think this is a little better than average. Steve, I don't have your face on here. What words of wisdom do you want to tell the audience?
Just give it time. Don't, just be calm with it, be patient, and it's going to come in every couple of days. It gets better and better.
And was that pretty upfront with you? Did I give you a bunch of nonsense or anything like that?
No, you are no nonsense.
All right, spin around, face the wall. I want to show the back of your head.
Yep.
Lean forward just a little bit. All right, Wendy, show me that scar. That's a short haircut. This is the second time in your head, and that's a pretty good little scar. And I took your stitches out a day early because of a problem in the family.
That's right, yep.
Okay, that numbness go away pretty quick?
It did, actually. Yeah, that was not a problem.
All right, Steve, I'll see you in 6 or 7 months. Thanks.
Great.
So that says it all right there. I mean, the biggest thing is be patient. It takes a while.
It takes a while, but
and he's growing quick.
And he's going. Yes, he is. Like you said, redos normally take 16 months to have their final result. So at this point, like if you follow the line, he should not be growing much at all.
Right.
But he's growing.
Yeah.
He looks.
And he's got a short haircut in the back, and his scar's good. And that's the second time in his head. Remember, I didn't do the first time, but somebody else did. And hopefully we'll see him back next spring and get a
good. I'm sure he'll come.
But to summarize it, all we're doing nowadays is repair cases. So before you sign up for something that sounds too good to be true with somebody, think it through, educate yourself, make sure you see plenty of examples of the work that doctor has done, and then you're less likely to make a bad choice.